Log in to beis.defed.gov.ph using Schoolhead account. First, we need to log in our account. Then, click the Upload tab. Download the school profile template based on your COC. After downloading, let's open the file. Please take note of the following important guidelines in filling out the form. You are only required to fill in white cell. Fill out all data cells manually. Do not use copy and paste, cut and paste, and most especially, drag and drop. The system will still allow uploading of the template with incomplete data. Any blank data cells with numeric value will be converted to 0 in the database. Dates can be inputted as text, example, October 5, 2018, or 10/5/2018, or 10/05/2018. Input whole number for data cells requiring whole number. Input decimal numbers for data cells requiring decimal numbers. Any checkbox option where yes and no options were both selected, this will be considered as a yes. For checkbox options with related data fields, if no is selected, but you filled the yes related fields, the error message will appear. For checkbox options with related data fields, if both yes and no options are selected, this will be treated automatically as a yes. Related fields must be filled in with value greater than 0. If both yes and no options are not selected, this will be treated automatically as a no. After you fill out the template, click the School Profile button to search for the file to be uploaded. Then, click the Upload Now button. If there are errors found in the uploaded template, please check the errors from the table below. Notification message will be displayed. And if the uploaded template has no errors, a school profile successfully uploaded notification message will be displayed. School template will no longer be allowed to be re-uploaded once the division has already validated. However, you may contact your division planning officer to request for reversion. To view or download the uploaded templates, click the Dashboard tab. Then, click the template's name under School Profile column.